My name is Aaron Wilder. I'm the Development Director at SISU Youth Services. SISU Youth Services is an organization that supports young people experiencing homelessness, ages 15 to 24 years old. We provide emergency shelter, resources, case management, and housing to help them get through homelessness and lead the lives that they want to live. Later this year, we will be opening a brand new shelter and drop-in center that we've constructed this year. It will allow us to expand our capacity to 21 beds and give us this really nice custom-built space to take care of some very vulnerable young people in our community. We're so honored to have the support of local companies like Tabor Built Homes and Tabor Cares. We're going to use that money to help with resources in our drop-in center and emergency shelter program, which is the kind of entry point that young people have into SISU. So when they're coming off the street, child welfare or another kind of situation like that, this money is going to be there to help make sure that they have got clothing, food, hygiene resources, and case managers to help them get up on their feet and decide the next steps. We need folks to get involved with SISU Youth Services. If you think that you can be a positive adult inside of our shelter or help support us by making sure that we have the material needs that we have in our shelter, you can go to www.sisuyouth.org to see all of our volunteer and donation opportunities.